Hi, my name is Susan Rose, and I'm a visibility coach. I work with women entrepreneurs to help them figure out how to tell their story and just get into that limelight and increase their impact and their income.
And we got connected through somebody in both of our networks.
Yes, so it's the classic. The thing I love about networking is that people say, "Oh, you should know this person," and they introduce you to each other. So my friend in Chicago for a long time had been saying, "Oh, if you're ever out in Chicago during these powerful partners networking dinner parties, you should attend one. I think you would really enjoy it, and you would really enjoy meeting Megan." And I said, "Well, that's
Love
great.
it.
I'm not often in Chicago, um, ever." So, but then the pandemic happened, which has been challenging for everybody. But one of the beautiful things it did was opened up events like yours to go online. And then all of a sudden it's like, oh, I can do that. I can attend these now. And so I jumped on that opportunity and here we are. Yeah. Well, it's been great on many levels. First from a social level, because it's something that happens on a Saturday night and it's not, it's fun and it's casual. And I think that just that timing puts people in a different mindset for it.
Yeah.
So everybody's just really friendly and really open and really curious about what the other people that are there are all about. And I just, you know, that makes me feel welcome. It makes my heart open. So I really have enjoyed it from that standpoint. Uh, but also just this opportunity to meet people from a different network. Everybody that's involved with the powerful partners, these are not people that I normally interact with, in part because I'm not in Chicago. And so that has been magical for me, is to have, to be introduced to all these women who I just would not have known otherwise. And everybody I followed up with and had, ongoing conversations with are just interesting.